Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Right, it was raining. It was thundering. He sent the rain to sort the garden out. And to, you know, yeah, awesome. That black stuff on there is a weed killing treatment. That's why the lawn looks a bit black. But before, just a few hours ago, it was absolute hammering down. Hallelujah. And it's just what we needed. Just what we needed. There's little lavenders in there, and there's a couple of olive trees. Will hopefully shape up a bit this year. They have been nice. They need I'm not sure what these plants are here altogether, but I got them off a Chinese lad I used to know on my old account, that had I don't know, it had something like 7,500 subs back then, because he was doing a lot of other work for another video, truth video site, but I'm not even going to mention that site because there was no truth much in it. So anyway, that channel got took down. Well, I guess yeah, there was truth. That's Manuka. That's the Manuka tree there, Manuka bush. They make Manuka honey from. Looking glorious. Really nice little tiny little red crimson flowers there. Beautiful. Bottle brush tree. And around here. Oh, I can't see them from here. Well, there's some hostas put in there, and what's that one? Yeah. Papava oriental. There's a big red poppy. Well, Himalayan blues around the side of the house. I'm not going out now because I've got socks on. The ground's still wet. So hallelujah, amen, praise the Lord.